Okay, I picked up this air punch nailer. Aluminum body. Can sink a 9 to 16 gauge nail or punch it out, which is actually what I bought it for punching nails out, because I got some pallets I got to tear apart, and I'm going to use this to get the nails out after I get them tore apart. Operating pressure 80 to 120 psi. And the air inlet's a 1/4 NPT. And for those of you who don't know, the NPT is National Pipe Thread. If it would have a... They have other letters for that, for like the male, the female. I can't remember offhand which one's which. Get this box open. I haven't even looked at this yet. So we'll see what it comes with. Some lubrication. It does come with an extra punch. Let's see if we get that out. Now I'm only showing this today. There's the extra punch. I'm not demonstrating it because I don't actually have any pallets tore apart at the moment. But if I get some tore apart, then, you know, not too much in here. Mainly the gun. Alright, there we go. Get a look at it. Yeah, I think you have to drop, put some oil in there occasionally. I'll have to read the directions to make sure. And, I mean, it's pretty basic. There's not much to it. There's a hole there. There's where that rod comes out. Just stick that down over top of the end of the pointy end of the nail that goes into the wood. So when it's sticking through, you put that on there, and you just pull the trigger. It throws that rod. This is what's inside there. Throws that rod down, and it hits that nail and pushes that nail right through. Now, there are guys online that have demonstrations of these. Like I said, I haven't tested it yet. I don't have no pallets tore apart at the moment. Summer's coming, so I'll be getting that done. And then your operating manual, which I'm pretty sure doesn't show too much. And the parts list. I guess in case you need parts. Symptoms, problems, and solutions. It's basically it. And this is going to be a short video, but like I said, I don't have any pallets tore apart at the moment to show you how it works. I suppose I could have been energetic and stuck a nail through a board or something, but I don't have my compressor out at the moment either. Summertime, just getting everything out and ready to go. But that's basically it. Like I said, it's just an air locker. I'll put the link to it in the description box. But yeah, they sell lots of different ones. This one's always got good reviews. The Air Locker brand. I got this off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, guys.